your supervisor?
I think I'm gonna have to call security.
I'm gonna ask to see your supervisor.
Okay, I'm in charge of this office, so
All right.
I'm the supervisor.
Hey, welcome back. Join us in watching our latest video to explore the hidden truths about corrupt law enforcement. Following the resolution of his sentence and probation, he actively sought information regarding the security expenses for the stadium. His investigation directed him to the Erie County Wrath Office, which in return steered him to the Erie County Attorney's Office to formalize his inquiry.
I was going to say good morning. Good afternoon.
How you doing? I'm looking to do a FOIL request at the county attorney's office.
You can submit those in writing online.
Yeah, I'd like to do one right here in person.
No, it's got to be written. FOIL request has to be written.
Like typed out, written?
I mean, if you want to write it down.
Yeah, I'd like to handwrite one down here and submit it right now.
Okay.
Can I get a form?
We don't. I mean, we all of our forms are online, so we don't have a form.
Can you print me one up?
I mean, we can give you a blank sheet of paper if you want.
I guess that'll work.
Dan skillfully expresses his thoughts in a compelling document filled with intention and accuracy. He subsequently shares his creation with the clerk, a tangible representation of his dedication, and a silent narrator.
Can I just get a copy of that? Maybe it's time-stamped and...
I mean, we can't give you a copy. You can timestamp it if you want.
Well, you timestamp it and you don't got a copy machine you can run it through to give me a copy once it's timestamped?
No, can't give you a copy
Why not?
because it's our copy machine. And that's,
Your copy machine or our copy machine?
yeah, we don't make copies here for members of the public, but I'm happy to stamp a receipt, right?
So you're going to refuse to make a copy?
Correct.
What's your name?
My name's Jeremy Toth.
Jeremy Toth. What do you do here?
Yeah, I'm done having this conversation. This is where we reach you?
There's an email address there and a mailing address there.
Okay, great.
So you're refusing to make a copy
Yes.
of that for me, Jeremy?
Yes. Correct.
What is your position here?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
Are you
matter?
done here?
No, I'm not.
Do we need to call security?
Security for what? Asking for
I'm
a
asking
copy?
you to leave.
Well, is this not publicly accessible, this office?
This is not a publicly accessible office.
How did the public do allowed to come up here?
Well, we took your. Is there going to be a problem?
Not if you would just give me a copy of that.
We don't make copies for people walking off the street asking for a copy. That's not what we do here. We're
Why not?
Kinko's.
I'm not asking you to make copies of my personal stuff. I'm asking for a copy of that paper. It's not going to look good for you guys. Not,
We don't make
no.
copies for
For a FOIL request I'm inserting?
right, because you're supposed to put
Who is
it online.
who is your supervisor?
I think I'm going to have to call security.
I'm going to ask to see your supervisor.
Okay, I'm in charge of this office, so
All right.
I'm the supervisor.
So you don't have a supervisor that works
County
above you?
executive. You can go across to all the county executive's office, but I am going to call
You
security.
have a business card?
Nope.
You don't have nothing, huh?
No.
After Dan posted a thought-provoking YouTube video criticizing the county attorney, a surge of public outcry ensued, flooding the authorities with complaints. This heightened scrutiny triggered a reassessment of Dan's probation conditions, originally designed to restrict his recording and YouTube activities. Despite a judge dismissing these overly broad restrictions based on First Amendment rights, concerns lingered that the county attorney might persist in advocating for such limitations. Amidst this uncertainty, Dan chose to visit the Lockport Labor Department about a month after his encounter with the county attorney.
No, I don't need any help. I'm just here to take some photographs of the lobby. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm working on the labor department.
Okay, I don't know about pictures in here. Can you mind if I get approval real quick? I'm sure it's fine.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to double check, you're more than welcome to. But I'm telling you, it's all right.
This is our supervisor.
This is no. I was just wondering who she checked with to make sure it was all right that it was filming here. That's all.
Oh, we'd actually, it's not allowed.
What's not allowed?
So you can't film within the office. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. If you want,
This office open.
with someone?
This office is open to the public.
it is.
Well, then there shouldn't be a problem.
What's your business?
Me?
Yes.
Oh, I'm just working on a story on the labor department here, getting a view of what's available to the public.
Okay. Well, we have people that are responsible for media, so if you're interested, we can put you in touch with them.
Oh no, I
We
don't need to.
can't
I don't need to talk to
recording anything
anybody.
within the office.
I don't need to talk to anybody.
Okay. Well, I can't have you recording in the office.
Can I get your name?
Yep. My name's Jessica.
Jessica, where were you informed that it's not allowed to be filmed in here?
The public are not allowed to film inside of our office.
Well, I'm not going in your office. I'm just in the publicly accessible area.
I am gonna have to ask you to leave.
Well, thanks for asking, but as soon as I'm done taking the photos of the publicly accessible areas, I'll probably be on my way.
Okay, well, you can leave or call the police.
I mean,
You can leave.
if you need to call the police, you're more than welcome to, but the public's allowed to video record publicly accessible areas because of the First Amendment of the Constitution. Are the police on their way here?
They've been called. That's all I know.
I'll be able to do
That's it, they've been called.
Because I pretty much finished my business here. Maybe I don't know if I got
done
this
with your business?
billboard here, but I don't want to run and leave if the police are coming. You know what I mean?
In just 10 minutes, a symphony of sirens announced the prompt arrival of law enforcement to the scene. The evolving narrative continued, with the police presence introducing a tangible tension into the atmosphere.
Want you here.
So it's not really how
Kind of trespass.
that's not how trespass law works in public.
Well, if they want you removed from the property, they can have. It's just like say you were in 7-Eleven or whatever.
No. 7-Eleven is not public. 7-Eleven is a private business.
Correct.
How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Good.
So, if they don't want you here, what is the reason like that you want to stay?
Well, what is the reason they want me to leave is the real question, because this is publicly accessible. It's open to the public, and I'm just here in public.
I understand that.
But we're not going to drag you out of here in cuffs or anything.
Yeah,
I mean, that's
of course not, because I'd have to break a law to
No,
be put in the handcuffs. So
Look, who called this in? Supervisor Jessica. Can I talk to you privately just to see what's going on here? Okay. I'll be right with you, okay?
The atmosphere stayed cordial among the officers until Officer Stahl withdrew for a confidential discussion with the management in the secluded back rooms. Upon his return, a noticeable shift in dynamics became palpable. At first,
So, I think the main concern was just people's privacy.
yeah, I'm not
And
taking
I understand
anybody's
you seem
personal
like you have a
information.
little bit of respect for people's privacy.
Yeah.
It is a public place. Back here is not public.
Yeah,
Okay, that's
of
by
course.
appointment only. So if you have an appointment, that's one thing. If you don't, that's something different. Are you almost finished?
Yeah, I'll probably leave right after you guys.
Okay, all right. Can I grab your information? Are you willing to give me that?
No, I don't wish to waive my
I
Fourth
figured
Amendment
as
right.
much. I figured as much.
But if I could get a CAT number or a call number for this, you guys have a-
Well, as soon as we get the report done, you're more than welcome to come down and get it, sir.
all right.
Okay?
But you have no call numbers that you guys were
Well, I don't have it
dispatched?
on me. It's in my computer.
No, when you guys go out, I'll follow you out. If you
Okay.
guys are ready to leave, I'm pretty good too.
Yeah,
I got all the
you can
information.
stop
I need.
down and we'll
As long as they understand that it's a constitutional right and they can't remove somebody from
Yeah,
calling
you
over here.
can. I'm not forcibly removing you from anywhere.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Let's go out there and
You
get
can
that
stop-
number,
you can,
and
you can stop down at the station.
I got all the information I need here.
Okay, that's fine. We still have to talk to a couple people here, and then if you want to wait, hold on one second. 10-4. You can stop down. We can give you any report you need. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thanks for your time.
at first, the officer seemed reluctant to furnish Dan with the call number, possibly intending to create obstacles for him. Despite this resistance, Dan persevered, accompanying the officers with determination until he secured the essential call number needed for his request for body camera footage.
You guys don't have a report number, but you guys definitely have a call number on the computer. I can get that call number now so I can reference this
Well, you
easier.
can go down to the station. You can go down.
You're not going to give that call number out?
No, I'll give you down to the station when we complete the report, sir. I have no problem doing that.
How about you, sir? Can I get that call number for
It's
this?
the same sort of thing.
Well, I know,
Like,
but you
could
guys
reach
got
down
a
to
call
the
here on your
station as well.
computer.
Yes, you can foil the report, but I'm more than happy to give you the report. Okay?
See if I can get that call number myself.
Don't open that door, okay?
See if I can't get that call number since you guys want to not be even, you know.
Thank you.
That was a simple request to get that call
It
number.
was, but the report's not complete. You want sufficient evidence or whatever you're doing? We'd be more than happy to provide that.
Well, all I'm asking for is the call number. It's nice and easy to reference a call number versus
You
that.
want the report, though?
Well, yeah, but I can't get that right now, and you agree I can't get that right now.
Sir, I was more than happy to help you, okay? But I think you're being difficult.
This incident starkly illustrates gaslighting, a manipulative strategy employed by the unprofessional officer. Pretending to be courteous, the officer deviously impeded Dan's access to vital information required for the report and body camera footage, fostering a confusing and obstructive situation.
Number is not difficult. That's something to reference this by.
I don't even know if that's the right call.
I don't. That's why you should just give it to me now.
I don't know what it is.
You don't have a call number to come here. Now you get dispatched down here.
Not until I get the report done. Okay, and have no problem giving you that report as soon as you come down and get it.
Did you mute your body camera while you're in there talking?
Everything is on here, sir.
All right, thank you.
Okay? Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it.
Okay. You have yourself a good day.
Thank you.
Dan called the number to verify the details before proceeding to the municipal building the next day. Once there, he formally requested both the body camera footage and the comprehensive report.
I got a FOIL request to turn in here.
Pardon?
A FOIL request? Thank you very much.
Good day.
In an unexpected turn of events, Officer Dan's quest for justice faced a setback when the city-county attorney denied his request for records, contrary to the initial assurance given by the officer. Undaunted, Dan enlisted the assistance of the determined Jeremy Toth, who worked to modify Dan's probation terms amidst charges of harassment and disorderly conduct. Speculation circulated that the officers might be attempting to hide evidence of collusion in the body camera footage. Despite this obstacle, Dan persevered, challenging the denial at the municipal building, unwittingly stepping into a complex web of concealed motives and secrets, setting the stage for a compelling legal confrontation. At 12.
Yeah, I'm here to appeal the denied FOIL request.
Are you familiar with the appeal process?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have the written document?
Yeah, I wrote an appeal up here. I got the original one here. If I could, what I did here is I got the appeal written here.
Okay.
I have the original acknowledgement letter, copy of that attached to it, and I have the denial there. If you could just timestamp the appeal and give me a copy of the appeal. I don't need a copy of all the other the other 2 pages. I think that's a little irrelevant who they were compiled for. They're public records. They're public records, right?
I can't speak any further. That's gone through legal at this point. I'll send it back and we'll get more information. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
At 12:15, he inquired with the department to receive the latest information on his appeal, feeling a bit anxious as the 20-day deadline had passed.
No, I'm not. I don't need any help at this time.
No meeting?
No.
Okay. Go for it. Did you need something?
You guys go ahead.
Well, I don't want to be recorded.
No.
Can I help you? Sir, can you just go down the house so I can help them?
I'm just here to. I'm here to observe the city being sued. That's all.
I know, but the customers don't want to come to the counter because you're here.
I don't want to be recorded. Listen.
Don't look so nervous.
Hi, Sarah. My name's Samantha. I'm a process server. I'm just here to serve you with a lawsuit. And that's it.
Dan politely approached Emily Stoddard, who was standing nearby, and made a courteous request for a copy of the video she had captured.
Took a video with our phone.
Okay.
I'd like the full request of that video.
I can give you.
Yeah, if you want to grab my full request, and I just need her name. Hopefully we won't have to sue you guys for that too.
In the midst of public outrage sparked by a video revealing the discourteous behavior of civil servants, Dan becomes the target of unfounded accusations from 4 women in the office who falsely accuse him of second-degree harassment. Despite having legitimate reasons for visiting the municipal building, Dan now faces 4 charges of harassment and is preparing for an upcoming trial. Concurrently, he filed a lawsuit to retrieve withheld body camera footage, potentially leading to another civil lawsuit for malicious prosecution. Undeterred by baseless allegations, Dan is determined to uncover the truth and achieve justice in the face of challenges. Let's make a difference together. When we unite, we can change the system and ensure that corrupt cops face the consequences of their actions. Take action today to build a fair and safer community.